when someone visits your website, your social media profile, and they leave, you're probably never going to see them again. It's sad, but it's true. People are very busy, okay? And by collecting emails, then you can contact that person well into the future, days, weeks, months, years, as long as you want, as long as it's good for you and they allow it. Okay, so it's a really cool thing. Okay, that's number one. Number two is back when I got started making money online. It was 15 years ago. Chris Farrell membership. You're like, who's that guy? Well, it was all about the monies on the list, and these autoresponders, they were so expensive. Okay, nowadays there's a lot of them out there, so it's so competitive. The prices have come down, and there's a lot of tools out there that you can use for free for a very long time. You can send out just insane amount of emails for free, so there's no excuse, right? Okay, that's the next one. It improves your closing rate. Here's the thing. Some people have to look at an item a few times before they pull the trigger. And by using these emails and you sending them out, you could introduce a product to someone multiple times from different angles and approaches, and this can really boost up your closing rate. Boom! So that you will make a lot more money, and you can actually help people as well. Next up is you can market multiple products to the same person as long as it's in the same niche and it's helpful. Okay, I'll give you a story. Back in the days, I used to work at Best Buy, the retailer, right? And I was in the electronics section. So if somebody purchased a computer, my job was also to, remind them that they may need other things like a surge protector, maybe a computer table, maybe a printer, ink. As you can get more, like a mouse pad. My brain just went. But this is helpful to them because then they're busy. So if they go home like, oh, I forgot about the surge protector, they have to drive all the way back to the store, pick up the dang surge protector, and because I was so lazy, I didn't even mention it to them. So by introducing multiple products to somebody they could use, I do them a service and I help the store because we make more money. It's the same thing with email. Okay, so if you whatever niche you're in, you could introduce multiple things that could be helpful, and this could be helpful for everybody. So it's a win-win. Okay, all right. Next up is it can improve your social media. Yeah, so if you're having more social media channels out there, like a blog, a YouTube, or TikTok, you can also mention that on your email, and that could boost more followers, more engagement, more likes, and more views. So that could it can grow your social media. Next up is collaboration. So this is how this would work. See how I have an email list, and you have an email list. Well, we can make a deal where for one time I could mention your email list to my subscribers, and you could do vice versa, and we could both grow our email list. It's an amazing idea. We both win, and the email list wins as well. All right. Next up is it can improve your chance of getting accepted into affiliate programs. Okay, some affiliate programs are strict. They're like, we don't want somebody not doing anything. But when you apply and you say, I have this email list, it sounds good, it looks good, it makes you're serious. You know what you're doing. Okay, you're not, wet off the ears, and so it can help you get accepted into various programs as well. And plus, it sounds so cool, right? I mean, these email lists are like assets that you can use into the future. Okay, there's way more uses for them. Like if you create your own product, you'd be like, hey, I just created this product. Boom, mention it to your email list. So it's a great thing. All right, now here's the thing. The money is not in a list. Okay, building a list is great. It is. But it's what you do with the list that matters. Okay, because you can have the biggest email list in the world, but if nobody opens your emails, it don't mean nothing. So you have to know what you're doing. Okay, but lucky for you, I made this whole guide. It's free, a free guide all about copywriting with emails. And this is going to get your emails opened, viewed, clicked on, improve your sales, how to mention products, and really a lot more. Even free tools out there that you can use. And how to even use some of these techniques on social media, some ninja ways to do this on social media as well. And I may have, sometimes I pull it down, a guide as like a limited time offer for your landing page and how to really boost up conversions so you build your email list and how to do that as well. And you can view this free guide. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description down below. You click on that bad boy, you can learn a lot more from it. Hope this was great and helpful, and you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.